Manipur asi yamna maroiba Asian gateway ama oibana tourism, logistics, services sector, healthcare, education, IT amadi IT ga mari lenaba services singda self sustainable growth ama soidana atenba matamda uba fanglagani haina Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren Houdokhre wafam asi Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industry na sinduna North East leba Hotel Imphal Sangai Hall da pangthokiba one day international business summit lisingani kungani thoi on Gateway Manipur connecting Asian countries ki thorom da phongdokibani thorom adu the Royal Thai Embassy to India gi Minister Councillor Surapat Phosyan India Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry Dhaka gi General Secretary SM Abul Kalam Azad Textiles Sector Skill Council New Delhi gi CEO Dr Swapra Mishra Madi Royal Thai Embassy Thailand gi Minister Councillor Commercial Saitong Soifet na DICE member oina Houdokhre thoramda saruk yake Chief Minister N Biren na makhata na phongdokhibada Aegis policy gi makhada North East na India bu Southeast Asian countries singa samjinnabada achoba lambi ama oiri free and open Indo-Pacific region high river common vision asibu thabak ton thopada Northeastern region connectivity hen gat handuna maroiba role ama logani Manipur Asian gateway ama oibana maroiba sector tourism logistics services sector healthcare education IT ama di IT gamari leinaba services singda positive impact ama di self sustainable growth ama soidana lakani Manipur asi landlocked state oijarbasu air connectivity da matamgi matungina ahongba kya ama lakhrai government of India gi uran scheme gi makha da international flight kya Imphal dagi mandle ama di Bangkok connect tongna plan lady state asigi saruka yamba hilly region oibana connectivity da thengnari ba khudongcha da bakaya du helicopter service haudoktuna manung hanjun ba mafam kya da connectivity hangat hali masigi sumathakta road connectivity infrastructure kya semgatuna lambi thong kaya masu government asina semgali thausil asigi makha da Imphal Mori lambi semjin balo silakle trilateral highway project Kaladan multi-modal transport project amadi SASCC road connectivity project kaya asina loisilaklaba matamda Manipur gi road connectivity da chawba hongba kaya mayek thokna uba fanglagani railway line so hauze khongsang fawba functional oire railway line asi mathangi chahi lisingani kunga mari fawgi manungde Imphal yorokna bapandam thamli madugi makha tarakpada Imphal to More fawba railway line asi extend tongna ba thabak paikhatkani haina mahang phongdoki